Everybody, Chris here. So we have a rebound happening in the crypto markets with Dogecoin, other cryptos recovering nicely from the big dip we had. Why is that happening and what are the effects of that? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You'll be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And yeah, it didn't feel really good over July 4th while crypto was dumping, and we were covering that and actually had an extra live on Thursday night commiserating with what was going on. But we were looking for that rebound and we were calling it actually during that live stream, and we followed up again on Friday as well with where Doge could be going, and that is starting to play out. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at the charts and the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. And so this is the current Dogecoin chart as I'm recording this, and this is starting to shape up to be this V-shaped recovery that we were hoping to see with Dogecoin up over 11 cents. If we can get back up over 11 and a half, maybe recheck that as support and then maybe move up even further. Yes, we're out of the depths down here. Again, did not drop below 9 cents, but was pretty scary while we were in that 9-cent range. I know a lot of you were buying Dogecoin on that dip like I did. I bought some on this dip as well. Hope you did as well. I don't know if we're going to retest that. I don't know. We're waiting to see what happens next week. What's going to happen with this Mt. Gox distribution of Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to drop even further? I mean, I look at the Bitcoin chart as well, also showing a nice recovery, getting out of that purple rectangle that I've been showing on my charts. Again, we'll explore that more on Monday afternoon, which will be my next live stream, Monday at 4 o'clock East Coast time. So be sure to have your notifications on and be subscribed as well. Bitcoin's recovery, although it looks good, it's still just over 2%. While Dogecoin's is up 5%. Dogecoin is outperforming Bitcoin on this recovery on a 2-to-1 scale. That appears to be what's happening here. But also at the same time, we are seeing liquidations on the short side. Yes, what we talked about the other day is, hey, it'd be nice to not have the leveraged longs being liquidated, but actually the shorts start to get liquidated. And that is what is happening right now. And some of these are huge amounts. Here's $2.4 million on Pepe. Here's $1.4 million on Solana. These are shorts that are getting liquidated. This is what we like to see because this has the potential to drive the price up even more. And the biggest one that I saw this morning or early this afternoon, yes, $11 million. One trade, $11 million on a short got liquidated on one trade. So this is what we're watching. This Dogecoin bounces back, maintains 10-cent support, and now we're up to 11 cents. Despite massive whale dumps, 500 million Doge. That's right, there was whale selling happening. Massive sell-offs would trigger substantial price drops typically, but Dogecoin has shown an impressive ability to absorb the selling pressure. This activity suggests a strong underlying demand and a committed community of smaller investors who continue to buy the dip. So this helps a rebound of something like Dogecoin much more because there's a lot more of us who are buying Dogecoin at these levels than Bitcoin. And that's why we see Dogecoin actually outperforming Bitcoin so far on this rebound. Not only Doge though, SHIB and Pepe, we saw big liquidations of shorts on Pepe and SHIB as well, I saw earlier. So this is all leading to, again, following Bitcoin's big price fall. Yes, many of the memes fell further at a higher rate, but now are recovering at a higher rate as well. So that's what we see. There's still, even with all the liquidations, there's still more out there at lower prices. But at the same time, there's a lot of shorts up here. A lot of shorts that have just been sitting there, big liquidations. That's where we want to get. We want this thing to turn around, move up, and get up to these levels and start a real short squeeze, which would be awesome. Dogecoin skyrockets 15% as it eyes pivotal milestone. Hard to believe we're talking about a skyrocketing price of Dogecoin at 11 cents, but coming up 15%, that is pretty good at this point. So good to see that Dogecoin can, from its low, recover, and now up over 20%. It's now a 20% recovery so far from the bottom of the dip on July 4th that we see. And Elon Musk, in one of his most recent interviews, reiterated that he is personally supporting Dogecoin. So with that, this was actually during the dip when this article was posted, but we can go right to Doge Designer, CB Doge, and we can listen in to Elon.
I also bought some Dogecoin, and Tesla accepts Dogecoin for some merchandise, and SpaceX will do the same, and I intend to personally support Dogecoin because I just know a lot of people who are not that wealthy who have encouraged me to buy and support Dogecoin. So I'm responding to those people, just people that when I walked around the factory at SpaceX or Tesla, they've asked me to support Dogecoin, so I'm doing so.
Because Dogecoin, I think, has come down a lot. It's down about 80, 90%, or it's down a lot, and that's the reason why you came out and said that you still thought there was value there.
I said I support Dogecoin, and I'm doing that. I also...
So he says, yes, I support Dogecoin, and I'm doing that. That's what Elon said. So this interview was from a little bit ago, but again, it just reiterates Elon still hasn't given up his support for Doge. What does this mean for the price, though? Are we going to see this is the rebound from Trader Tardigrade that he was talking about? I thought we wouldn't see such a fast rebound, and said that yesterday, that I thought that this would take a little bit longer. Again, he's looking at the Wyckoff, though, and he says, oh, this looks like it's the bottom of this Wyckoff distribution, and that we just hit the spring, and now we're going to come up, retest, and then start to move on up. This could actually be playing out now, and that would be an incredible rebound if Dogecoin could not only eclipse 11 and 12 cents, but get up over 13 cents as well, all in the month of July. So that would be awesome. We're going to watch how this plays out, and are we going to see this Wyckoff recovery as Alan is showing on his chart here? This would be awesome for Doge. Meanwhile, it's nice to see recovery playing out. Be careful for further dips, though. Right now it's the weekend, so there's no selling. The German government isn't selling Bitcoin. We don't have the United States selling any Bitcoin. We also don't have Grayscale Trust selling any Bitcoin. Although Friday was a good day for the Bitcoin ETFs because there was more buying than selling, so that was positive. We'll see how that goes into next week and what that sentiment is following the big July 4th dip that we had going forward. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this rebound, and are we going to get back up? 12, 13 cent Doge. It's not that far away right now, and this is a good 20% recovery so far. Looking great. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.